How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? I know, it looks different. We are not at the studio today. We are at a place in Portugal, Lisbon, called Toca da Raposa. Sorry about my pronunciation if I said it wrong, but that's as good as you're gonna get on this one. And today, I'm making for you a cocktailio. It is a white lady, but of course I do it slightly differently. So it's a kind of a twist on a white lady using Cedar infused gin. So it's going to be a Cedar White Lady Toca da Raposa style cocktail. What do you think about that? So, let's get started. It is a shake and strain cocktail, so I'm going to make it in Tom's Tiki Tin on Tin shaker, which you can get from my website, tomdyerbartender.com. And that move I did there was literally picking the small tin up with the big tin, throw the small tin to one hand, throw the big tin to the other hand, and now I can put ice in it. Ice in the big tin. Boop, boop. And now our small tin is chilling. So this is made with Cedar infused gin. Cedar is like those little green, well, you'll see at the end of the video on the cocktail what it looks like. We're gonna put 45 mils of this bad boy in there. So to perform this pour, you literally come and you make your pour, you cut off, and as you cut off, you take your hand underneath, turn it over, and then throw it back to your hand, place it in your speed well. Next up, we've got lemon juice. 25 mils of that. Now how you do this move is you're gonna pick the bottle up with my right hand, come under with my left, around, up, take it from my other hand behind my head, and then you come down to pour. Next up, we're gonna put some triple sec in there. We're gonna use my Grail jigger, which you can also get from my shop. There's 15 mils of that going in there. Boom. And then to balance it out, we'll put a dash of sugar syrup in there. Pam. Sugar syrup's in there. Everything is in there except for, ta-da, the egg white. Now, normally people would put the egg white in first in case the egg yolk falls into the drink. But if you've got confidence, boom. Haha, doesn't happen. All right, next up, give that a nice, good, strong shake. Now, some people will be saying that I need to dry shake, wet shake, dry shake. Wet, dry, wide, wet, dry. But I did a blog on wet shaking, dry shaking, which you can check out also on my website. And this one, I'm just gonna shake it nice and strong, and hopefully I'll get the foam that I need on the drink. So plenty of ice. Boom. Oh yeah, nice and cold. Crack that open. Ooh. Smells delicious. Ooh. Tastes even better. I've got myself, move out of the way, little cat, a nice already chilled coupe glass. Ooh. And look at that. Ooh. Right, we're gonna garnish with some cedar. Fresh cedar, which I checked how to pronounce before I started the video, and a little lemon twist on top. Oh. Ladies and gents, that is the White Lady made of cedar gin. Let's give it a try. Refreshing, delicious, and tastes like cedar. What do you think about that? Now, before I go today, a couple of things I want to speak to you about. Number one, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And if you like this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. That lets me know that you like it. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments box. I get back to all the comments. And I've put down into the link in the description, I'm going to be doing some training this year. For those that know and follow my channels, I'm part of Flair Camp. and I'm going to be doing a mini flare camp in London on the 9th of February. So if you want to get involved in that, check out the link in the description below, or go to flarecamp.com where you can find out where all the other mini flare camps are, because we're doing a world tour all the way around the world. And if you have any questions about it, put it in the comments box below as well. So cool, I hope you like this video. Thank you very, very much for watching. Until next time, see you then.